children, welcome again to class 4th and our topic for today is mental maths of chapter addition. Children, our first question is this. I have written it 2615 plus 6038 is equal to 8653. That means after adding we get this sum. Here addends are dash and dash. What will come in these fill-ups, children? Addend means what? Which we are going to add. The numbers which we are going to add. For example, if I will write 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Here 3 plus 4 are addends. And what we get after adding is our sum. Okay, children? So now in this case, our first fill-up, the answer is 2615 and the second fill-up is 6038. Now, next question is 5914 plus 6890 is equal to. Children, in this case, for example, we can take small digit to solve these questions. For example, number is very big. You can take small digits. If I will take the number 5, first number only, okay, first digit. 5 plus 6 is equal to 6 plus what? Means 5 plus 6, 11. Now what we will add in 6 that we will get 11 so that it will become equal. 6 plus 5, it will become 11. So in this case, children, this is the same question. Here we have to write the missing number and the equations will be same. This is also the property of addition, children. We can change the place of the addends. Okay, children. So here our answer will be 5940. Okay, children. Now our next question is that is fill up plus 1529 is equal to 1529 plus fill up is equal to 1529. Now children, this is the main thing. We have to see what we have to add in this, that we will get the equal sides and in the end the sum will be 1529, which is same. They have given us the addend. So simple, children, we will not add anything. That means the answer will be 0 in both the fill-ups. Okay, children, I hope it is clear to you. Now our next question is find the sum of the greatest 3-digit number and the smallest 4-digit number. Now here, children, first of all you should have the knowledge about the greatest number, okay, children, and the smallest number. Children, I have told you in number system also in that chapter, you should have the knowledge about the greatest and smallest. Greatest in our number, greatest 1-digit number. Which is the greatest 1-digit number, children? 1-digit number, it starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and it is 0 which has no value, which has value only after it will come a digit, after it will come the numerical value. Okay, children. Now greatest 2-digit number. First of all, these are not greatest, these are 1-digit number. Okay, children. It's clear, it's 1-digit number. I will not write greatest, 1-digit number. Now next I will tell you 2-digit number. That is 2-digit number where there are 2 digits are there in a number. After 9 it will come 10. 2 digits are there, 1, 2, 11, 12 and it will go up to 99. Then 3-digit number 100. In this way, children. Okay, now children, you can see 1 digit. The smallest 1-digit number is 1. Smallest 1-digit number. It's very important, children. If you will understand this, then you will solve all the questions which are given in the mental maths. Okay, this is the basic thing you have to understand. Smallest 1-digit number. That is 1 because 0 itself has no value. Sorry. Then we have next smallest 2-digit number. That is, yes, smallest 2-digit, from where it starts? 10. That means with 1, 0. In the same way, if we will write smallest 3-digit number, it will come 100. That means 1 with 2 zeros. Okay, so in this way we write the smallest number. Now children, if we have to write the greatest number. Now look at here. Now yes, you can see, you can find out which is the greatest 1-digit number. Yes, in the first line you can see the greatest 1-digit number. Which is the greatest 1-digit number? That is 9. After that 2-digit starts, no? So it will be 9. Then greatest 2-digit number. That is 99. Then in the same manner, greatest 3-digit number, 999. After that 1000 will start, that is 4-digit. So it will be like this. So children, whenever we have to write smallest number and greatest number, smallest number we starts with 1 and greatest number we write with 9. Okay, this is the logic behind this, children. And I will give you one question of this. Find the sum of the greatest 3-digit number and the smallest 4-digit number. For this, children, first of all we have to write greatest 3-digit number. Now children, yes, first you can simply write greatest, so means 999. Then smallest 4-digit. Smallest 4-digit, that means smallest starts with 1 and with that we write zeros. To make it 4-digit, we will write 3 zeros. Okay children, the question is find the sum of. Now what we have to do? We will add them. And finally we will get the answer in fill up. That is 1999 answer. Okay children. Now the question is, what number should be added to the greatest 3-digit number to get the smallest 4-digit number? Now children, look at this. The question is, they have given the same numbers, but only difference is, question is what number should be added to greatest 3-digit number 999. इसमें क्या प्लस करें हम? What should be added to 999 to make it to get the smallest 4-digit number? Now children, simply you can see 999. What comes after 999? 1000. Okay, so that means if we will add 1. How this 1, children? How I come to know that here it will come 1? When this type of question comes, children, we can subtract the smallest number from the bigger number. When we will borrow, it will become like this. So in this way, in this way our answer 1 comes. Okay children, I hope it is clear to you. Now our next question is, find the sum of the place value of 5s in 25,610 and 526. Now children, we have two numbers. One is 25,610 and the other one is 526. Children, we have to find out the place value and we have to find its sum. Sum, children, all of you know the meaning of sum. Yes, sum, the number which comes after adding. Okay, the answer of addition is sum. Now here we have to find the place value, which we have done in number system, children. Now what is the place value of 5 here? 5 की place value क्या है? कहाँ पे 5 खड़ा हुआ है? Look at the place. कहाँ पे उसका घर है? जगह कहाँ पे है? You can check ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So 5 stands at 1000 place. तो क्या आएगा? 5000. And in this, what is the place value of 5? Ones, tens, hundreds. And children, I have told you in another video in place value that the other way of finding the place value is you can simply write the digit of which we have to find out the place value, that is 5. And how many digits are there on the right hand side? 1, 2, 3. So 3 zeros will come. In the same way here, 5 comes, 2 digits, so 2 zeros. Okay, now simple. We will add and we will get the answer. What will be our answer? 5500 answer. This is our fill up. Now children, the question is find the number which is 1000 more than 7539. More means greater, ज़्यादा, ठीक है? तो 7539 से 1000 ज़्यादा क्या होगा? तो क्या करेंगे? Simply we will add and we will get the answer 8539. Sorry. Next, the same question. Find the sum of the smallest 4-digit number, smallest 3-digit number, and smallest 2-digit number. Yes, children. Smallest 4-digit number. Now, I hope you will do it fast. Smallest 4-digit number is yes, 1000. Then smallest 3-digit number is 100. Yes, right. Then smallest 2-digit number is equal to yes, 10. Now question is find the sum. We have to add all the 3 and we will get the sum of these 3 and our answer will be 1110. Okay, children. Our next question is 6000 plus 2 tens. This is little bit different, children. Just we have to understand what is this. 6000 plus 2 tens is equal to 5000 plus fill up hundreds. That means what will come here? Plus 12 tens. Okay, children. Now children, whenever this type of question comes, what we have to do? सबसे पहले जब ऐसा कोई क्वेश्चन आता है बच्चे, क्या करना है हमें? कुछ नहीं, ये नहीं कि खड़े रह के सोचते रहो कि क्या करूं. Simply just start doing it. What do you know about the question? 6000. तो पहले इसको नंबर फॉर्म्स में लिख लेंगे, ठीक है? 6000 plus 2 tens means 2 tens are 20 is equal to 5000 in numerical form plus fill up hundreds, okay, plus 12 tens are 120. Okay, children, now what we have to do? We will add 6000 plus 20, 6020. You can add on the side also, or you simply also, you know that it's 6020. At 100 place nothing is there, so it will be 6020 equal to, what is there, children? 5000 plus 120. What we can add? 5000 plus 120 इनको जब प्लस करेंगे बच्चे ये आएगा 5120 प्लस, नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट व्हाट विल कम हियर। अब देखना है कि यहाँ पे क्या आएगा, वो कैसे पता चलेगा बच्चे? जब भी आपके पास बड़ा नंबर हो उसको ब्रेक डाउन करके स्मॉल नंबर में ले आओ। फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम टेकिंग द फर्स्ट डिजिट, पहला डिजिट लिया 6, ओके। फॉर एग्जाम्पल हियर इट इज 6 इज इक्वल टू 5 प्लस 1 प्लस फिलअप। नाउ व्हाट आई हैव टू ऐड हियर, क्या प्लस करूंगी 5 में कि 6 आएगा? All of you know that it will be 1. The main thing is how this 1 comes. आया कैसे ये 1? 6 में से हमने 5 को माइनस किया तो हमें 1 मिला। That means when we will subtract 5120 from 6020, what will be the answer? That is, yes, when we will subtract 10 minus 1, so it will be 900. So children, if you will write 900 here, it will be totally wrong. Why? Because children, they have given hundreds. So we have to write how many hundreds? How many hundreds are there? 9. So exact answer is children 9, not 900. If you will write 900, it will be totally wrong. Okay children, now I hope it is clear to you.